Attention, attention. Ladies and gentlemen, open mic night. Clap! Thank you all for coming out and supporting us. This is RHA putting this on, Residence Hall Association. We will be placing information about us in each napkin dispenser, as you will be seeing in the next coming days. There's our board, our wall of activities you guys can see month to month what we're putting on. Open mic night, as you can see. That's why you all are here. And what else we have? We have performers coming up, 15 total. We will be giving raffle prizes off to after each performance, so please hold on to your ticket after each performance. We will be recording each performance and putting it on our Facebook page. Please like us on Facebook, and you will like the videos on there too. We have 5 judges here today. Give it up for your judges. Woo! We have Sam here. Sam is from Sutter Hall. We have Jen, she's a resident from RHA. We have Allie, she's a resident from RHA. We have Camille, she is from Jenkins. We have Ron, and he's from Sierra. Give it up! So just to let you guys know, there will be popcorn available, there will be water available, and popsicles available for free. So the popsicles are amazing out here. You guys should definitely look into that. And so yeah, let's try to get this guy started.